comparing numbers to 31. So we're going to do lots of counting, and then we're going to have to figure out which one's more, which one's less, which one's greater, all of those things. All right, so first job is going to be to count the items. Like we've been practicing and really been talking about is you have to take your time counting. So we'll start out with the yellow pyramids here. I want you to no voice, count in your head, figure out how many yellow pyramids are here. All right, so I've given you a little bit of time. Now I'm going to count them and see if we came up with the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hopefully you came up with 13. Then my next job is I have to write the number 13. Alrighty. And now I work across because I'm working across the top. The bottom's a different problem. Now I got to come over here and count the red squares. I'm going to give you some time to try and count them on your own first. All right, hopefully you took the time and figured out how many red squares there. I'll take the time and count them up, and we'll see if we have the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Hopefully you came up with 21. Now think about this. Writing these numbers 21, it doesn't start with a 1, it starts with a 2. 21. All right, now our next job is to look at these two numbers, 13 and 21, and we have to decide which number is greater. All right, now remember, greater is more. So which one is greater, 13 or 21? Think about that. Get the answer in your head. All right, if you were thinking the answer is 21, you are correct. So I can go ahead and circle that number. All right, we're going to move down to the next problem, the green pyramids. Your job is to go ahead and count them up, see how many green pyramids there are. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and start counting and we'll see if we have the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Hopefully that's what you had. 24. All right, now let's try the blue squares. Why don't you go ahead and count up these blue squares and we'll see if we have the same amount. Alrighty, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them a try and see if we have the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, that's a teen number. They start with a 1. And I can go ahead and make the 9. 19. All right, now my job again is to find which one is greater. Which one shows more? What is greater, 24 or 19? Think about it. If you pick 24, you are correct. That has more. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look at your page. Here is your page. Your biggest thing you need to do is take your time, mark it down, and go ahead and count the items, write the number. Count the items, write the number. And then you need to look between the two numbers and circle which one shows greater, which one is the greater number. All right. Do not forget your name. We've been forgetting our names on these papers. Please write your name. So put your name at the top. Go ahead. They've already done number 1 for you. You can trace over it. You don't have to. Then go ahead and go to number 2. Count them, write the numbers. Count them, write the numbers. Circle the greater one. Then go to number 3. Really take your time. The keys, that's a lot of keys. Count the keys, write the number. Count the keys, write the number. Circle which one is greater. Once you're done, go ahead and put it on Mrs. Hendershot's table, and then go ahead and get yourself into your IXL account. Careful counting.